Welcome back. We're here in Colorado Springs, Colorado. Joining me is Ajith Dharma, president of Fire Within. Ajith, why have you brought us to such a beautiful facility?
This is Micrometals, sister company of Fano Bravo. All of Fano Bravo stainless steel lines are being manufactured here.
Awesome. So I can really understand why you're having the oven for your Alexis Soyer trailer built here, because this is an ISO 9001 certified. They do aerospace metal. They're going to make an oven. They have made ovens that are going to last for decades.
I don't think, Bill, we can find any other better quality facility than Micrometals. These folks have been in business for 42 years. They take their work very seriously.
Do you think we can get a factory tour?
Let's do it.
This is where you're actually having the oven built, and you picked a company that is really synonymous with quality, building some workhorses in the industry. You took to them your plans, they're custom building this oven, and right behind us here, we're having one created. Is that right?
This is the Alexis Soyer model being fully welded. As you know, Bill, there's an explosion of stainless steel ovens out in the market. One thing that we really emphasize is, if it is going to be mobile, it needs to be fully welded, not tack welded, right? Because these things are designed to travel down the highway 65 to 70 miles per hour. So that's the reason we picked Micrometals. Been in business for 42 years, and they take this business very seriously.
They do a 9001 certified facility doing aerospace work, which means that we're going to have an awesome oven coming out here. Behind here, he's custom making it to your specs, isn't he?
That's right, Bill. ISO 9001 and also a litany list of Weldman certifications. These are folks who build parts for aircrafts, for DoD. So, what are the better facility? And it's made in Colorado, made in US, so we are really excited. We have been building ovens for the last 13 years, and we have ovens that have been on the road for the last 13 years, still cooks incredible pizza. So our focus is coming up with this Alexis Soyer model. We have a lot of hopes, and it's going to be really a turning point in Fire Within, bringing this to market. And we want to make sure that it has the highest quality and also the best looked. Not only that, it's going to make the best tasting pizza.
Well, Micrometals is going to make sure it's the oven that you want, and it's built to your spec, and even it's going to have that badge on the front that says that they're getting an Alexis Soyer oven.
That's right, Bill. We are really proud to feature Alexis Soyer. He's an unsung hero in the food world, right? This is a guy who brought the first mobile oven in the world. Went and fed thousands of people. We'll talk more about it in another segment. Went to Ireland, fed a lot of the hungry people in the potato famine. So that's why we picked that name, Alexis Soyer. It's very meaningful to us. Alexis said this story in 1850s.
Wow.
So we are bringing Alexis Soyer back.
So we have the oven created behind us here, fully welded. He's grinding it up to make sure it's beautiful and all fits great. Now, as I understand, we're going to go to another station where it's being all assembled. Can we go there now?
Let's do it.
So Ajith, right behind here, a huge machine. What's going on here?
This is an automated press brake. When it comes to quality, Fire Within is one of our main concerns is the tolerance and precision. This goes to show, Bill, this is a robotic machine. It has very, very, very tight tolerances. So once the pieces are cut, if you need to do a bend, this is where it's going to come.
So Ajith, we've seen the system come together, the entire welds being made, round off, getting ready for final assembly, and this one here may be around 80% complete right now?
That's right. That's right. So it's interesting to see the progression of construction.
Now getting ready to put the insulation on, some of the final touches, the Alexis Soyer badge, and then what do we see right behind here? What is this?
Actually, that is the exterior piece, the beautiful decorative piece that you're going to see. This is a technique very rarely used. It's called hammer tone, powder coated, right? Usually what you find is just smooth powder coated.
Okay.
Only few in the industry do that, and I have yet to see stainless steel oven with hammer-tone, powder-coated exteriors.
So this is really going to hold up. It's going to be with us for, decades probably. And any abuse that we throw out to Mother Nature, roadway, we're all going to be able to put up with it, and this is going to stay in service.
This oven is built to be mobile and to be working outside. So this is an outdoor mobile oven. So we want to make sure that it has the best finish to hold up to the weather.
Well, we have an oven that is really going to revolutionize the industry, a sub $10,000 price tag. And with that said right now, I know you have to have the attention. All of our viewers out there, made in America, by Americans, what's the best way for them to learn more about your new Alexis Soyer trailer?
Go to firewithin.com.
From there, we can learn about the specs, how to maybe even customize a little more for ourselves, and how to get it ordered. Is that right?
That's right.
Easy enough. Adja, thanks for being on again.
Thank you.